In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove individual clones in Cinema 4D, hide or delete. If you've ever built a scene with a cloner and realized a few clones are in the wrong place, intersecting geometry, or just distracting, you don't have to rebuild the whole setup. There are two straightforward ways to handle this: a non-destructive method that hides selected clones, and a permanent method that converts them so you can delete them like regular objects. I'll walk you through both, explain why you choose one over the other, and share a few simple tips to keep things clean and predictable. Let's start with the non-destructive approach. With your cloner selected, go to the top menu and choose MoGraph, then MoGraph Selection. Your cursor becomes a selection tool that works like a brush or a simple marquee. Click and drag over the exact clones you want to hide. Take a moment to orbit around and make sure you're selecting only the clones you intend. When you're happy with the selection, go back to the MoGraph menu and choose Hide Selected. Those clones will disappear from the viewport and renders, but they still exist in the cloner setup. This is great for look dev and layout because the cloner remains fully procedural. You can keep adjusting counts, effectors, and distributions without losing your hidden state choices. If you need to refine, just reselect with the same tool and hide more as needed. Now for the permanent route. If you're confident certain clones should be gone for good, right-click the cloner in the Object Manager and choose Make Editable, or press C on your keyboard. This converts the cloner and its clones into a standard editable mesh structure. At that point, you can click individual objects or polygons in the viewport or object manager and delete them like any other element. This approach is ideal when you're finished with procedural controls and want precise, manual ownership over every piece. Just remember, once it's editable, you lose the cloner's dynamic controls, so commit only when you're ready. In short, use MoGraph Selection and Hide Selected when you want flexibility, and the option to change your mind and make the cloner editable when you need final, surgical control and are prepared to remove clones permanently. With these two methods in your toolkit, cleaning up a cloner becomes quick, predictable, and tailored to your workflow.